Hello everyone, in this video we're going to talk about how to use precise seeking on YouTube, and let's get started. So you're playing some of the video on YouTube, and in order to do that you're gonna tap on this bar and pull it up. As you can see, now I'm using the precise seeking. I'm just going to scroll here and there, and as you can see I can precisely run it through these frames. So after you found your frame or some certain moment, you're just gonna tap on play, and you'll start. But also you can do it and click on this X button. That means that this window will be gone, and you So I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it actually was, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.